toward Earth on a separate event, it's going to happen in about an hour and 20 minutes, is bigger than the meteorite that hit Russia and caused that damage. So that's just to give you sort of the perspective on the weirdness that we are dealing with here as meager little earthlings today, reminded of the power of Mother Nature, space. We'll talk all about it. And this is the eerie cosmic coincidence. Or is it coincidence? This meteor strike over in Russia comes roughly 24 hours before an asteroid is due to have a very close encounter with planet Earth. It's very confusing. It's like the asteroid is out in the atmosphere, but then when it sheds things and they become meteors and they come through the atmosphere and then they hit Earth, they're meteorites. So they're related, but nobody knows whether these two are actually related. But our next guest who's going to come on in a moment does believe these two things are related, that maybe this meteorite that hit in Russia was shed by the asteroid that's about to pass us. It's going to give us a little buzz. About 1 hour from right now, this is coming uncomfortably close to Earth. Astronomers around the world are eagerly anticipating the chance to study this thing. We're tracking it too. While this asteroid, which is a bit... No, the asteroid's, really big. It's expected to miss us by some 17,000 miles, but that's closer than many of our communication and weather satellites. When the TV stations send satellites up there, those are farther away than this asteroid's going to be. So we are waiting now to see if this will affect any of our communication systems. Will we be on the air at 2:21? Yeah, so we're showing this is about the size of a football field, the asteroid. And the meteor that hit was about the size of a bus. All right, so they think perhaps one shed off of the other, or are they totally unrelated? Look at this. This is from NASA. Okay, there's us, little old Earth. And then this asteroid, you can see the distance away it is from us. This is courtesy of NASA. Right now it's a mere 25,000 miles. 6 minutes ago, right before we went on the air, it was at 27,000 miles. It's going very fast. So that's why they have it calculated that it's going to not hit us, not graze us, they say, but just buzz us in about an hour and 10 minutes right here. I hope we live. Just kidding. They say it's not going to hit us. I'm not totally kidding. I do hope we live, but they say there's no cause for concern. Although, you never know, do you? In other news, we're following another major story for you today as the president heads to the Windy City.